Hello everyone, welcome to the introductory class for physics practicals. So the duration for your examination will be 2 hours and the marks allotted for practical examination is 30 marks. How is this 30 marks divided? Let us look into it, the scheme of valuation. First, to perform the experiment, you are being allotted 20 marks and for the viva there will be 4 marks and for the practical record you will be allotted 6 marks. In this viva you will be asked 4 questions, each question carries 1 mark and this will be for 4 marks. In case of practical records, you have to complete your records, get it signed from your batch in charge teachers and from the HOD of the department and the principal. So for that you will be allotted 6 marks. Let us now see how this 20 marks for the performance of the experiment is divided. Now let us see the distribution of marks for performing the experiment. The principle of the experiment, whatever you have been allotted the experiment, for that you have to write the principle and that carries 2 marks. Second thing is you have to write the formula and explain the terms in the formula. That carries 2 marks. Coming to the third one, you have to draw the diagram. If it is a circuit diagram or the diagram of the experiment, you have to draw it and label it. You have to label at least 2 parts of the diagram and that carries 2 marks. And in this, it also includes the nature of the graph. If you are plotting the graph in your experiment, you also have to draw the nature of the graph. The fourth thing is you have to write the tabular column or the observation pattern and that carries 2 marks. The fifth point is constructing the experimental setup. If you have a circuit in your experiment, then you have to construct the circuit. That carries 3 marks. Or if you do not have circuit, if it is some other different experiment, how you are going to set the experiment, that will carry 3 marks. Coming to the 6th point, entering the readings into the tabular column or the observation pattern. You are going to perform the experiment. The performance also matters here, how you are going to perform the experiment, and then you have to enter the readings into the tabular column or the observation pattern. That carries 4 marks. And finally, after noting down the readings, you have to do the calculation. You are going to write down the relevant formula and do the calculation for each trial. That calculation and the plotting of the graph. You are going to plot the graph if your experiment contains graph. That plotting of the graph and the calculation contains 3 marks. Then coming to the final step, it is writing the result of the experiment with unit. So you have to write the result with unit, that carries 2 marks. So the total marks allotted for performing the experiment is 20 marks. Here we have the list of experiments for this academic year 2020-21. We are going to perform 8 experiments. The first experiment is the resistance per unit length of the given wire. Second one is the resistivity of the material of the wire. Third, comparison of EMF of 2 cells. Fourth, internal resistance of a cell. Fifth experiment, figure of merit of galvanometer. Sixth, ammeter and voltmeter. Seventh experiment is a focal length of convex lens, and the 8th experiment is a semiconductor diode. These are the names of the experiments which we are going to perform in the coming sessions. This was the introductory class for the physics practicals. Thank you.